Chains. Simple metal rings, linked in succession. We at MF Catenificio Frigerio have been doing this for more than 60 years. A chain from a technical point of view is wire rod drawn, cut, bent, welded, and calibrated. Simple, yet has such an importance due to its function to create a bond that is incredibly versatile and extremely resistant at the same time.
La catena è un prodotto che può sembrare semplice, ma non per gli impieghi e gli utilizzi dei nostri clienti, ed è per questo che la MF continua ad investire sulla ricerca di prodotto e di processo al proprio interno.
Our warehouse has a wide range of products with different kinds of packaging in accordance with customers' requirement. This allows us to ensure on-time deliveries. We are specialized in the manufacturing of chains for diverse industrial applications, starting from the food industry to marine, automotive, etc. For us, quality always comes first, thanks to our fully automated production process, where every step is controlled, right from the procurement of the specific raw material to the very final phase with inline traction units, installed on each of our plants, ensuring the control of our whole production process.
Le nostre catene sono controllate dall'inizio alla fine, materiali di qualità, test in produzione e ulteriori controlli finali. Praticamente sono indistruttibili.
Our innovation towards designing products begins much earlier, depending on the customer's requirements. Right from identifying suitable raw materials to performing various treatments with our highly qualified technical department, ensuring high efficiency and quality. Furthermore, our research and development team is constantly striving to test every product, improving both the processes and the quality.
The principal difference between us and our competitors lies in the R&D of our firm. We always believe in innovation and quality.
Our teamwork is the emblem of our success. 24 highly qualified people, strongly determined and inseparably bonded, just like a chain. Our goal? To satisfy every customer request, ensuring maximum quality, strong innovation, and value over time.
Crediamo molto nel lavoro di squadra, con la certezza che per raggiungere tutti i nostri obiettivi dobbiamo lavorare tutti uniti come un solo gruppo.
A chain is a simple product, but developing it well is complicated. In MF Catenificio Frigerio, we have been doing it since 1953. Together.